Yo, YouTube, what's up? So I'm gonna be doing this daily Bugle CTF, compromising a Joomla CMS account via SQL injection, cracking hashes and escalating privileges by taking advantage of a yum. So this is gonna be pretty easy because it kind of just tells you what's going down in the title of it, which is weird that they labeled this a hard CTF, but um yeah, where am I at? To walk with me. So I did this CTF yesterday along with like these two other ones. Did I do Hack Park yesterday too? I don't know, I just been doing these because I'm doing the offensive penetration testing route, and I just want to max this out because why not? Like never stop learning and all that cool shit. So doing a bunch of cool challenges, which is fun. I like doing the challenges. They're a lot of fun. Um. So yes, yeah, so this one you compromise a Joomla. So if we can just search up Joomla, I was doing a lot of research on it yesterday. I had found so when I was going into the CTF, I'll keep this on. Whatever. When I was going into the CTF, right, I had saw like these CVE code execution bugs, authenticate information disclosure. I was kind of excited to use this vulnerability, but this is actually the vulnerability I'm using right here because yeah, I already have it open. Um, anyways, so because I was like so when I searched up Joomla exploit, I saw that it was exploits for 4.28 and shit like that, like to get remote code execution and to break into the account using like logging into the SQL database. And I just like, oh my god, it's so cool, right? I was like, dang, that sounds fucking gangster. I think I actually looked at this blog right here. And yeah, it was a super cool blog, goes over all the stuff. We can actually use this to check what version the website is using when the website's opened up. That's what I use to check the version. But yeah, so you come down here, it just tells you all about the Joomla exploit. I read this entire thing, it was pretty cool. But this is where, like, as discussed in the CVE, basically you just curl this, and then this returns you with a root username and password to the SQL database. And so when you're going to the server, the SQL database isn't bound to 127.0.0.1, it's bound to port 3306. So when I was doing my nmap scan, I saw that, and I was like, oh my god, they're gonna be using this exploit. But then when I actually logged into the server and checked the version, it was 3.7, and I was pretty sad. Because I was like, oh, this is a really cool exploit. I'm excited to use this. I've never like used an exploit where I get the SQL credentials, log in the SQL database, and then change the super user's account credentials and then log in through that way. I've never actually done it before, so I thought it was gonna be fun. But yeah, so they basically just talk about how they went into here, went to SQL database and changed the user's password. Um, but yeah, or change the user's password hash because the password's hashed by bcrypt. I'm pretty sure. Yes, it's a bcrypt string here. So you have to just bcrypt a password. So like you just bcrypt like frog and then input it there. And then when the SQL database tests it, it'll encrypt your password and then compare it to the other hash, right? Or hash your password compared to the other hash. My bad. But yeah, and then this is pretty cool here. I mean, there's no real point in doing this because you can literally just change the entire page to a reverse shell. But this is still cool, I guess. You can run commands or install a malicious plugin. This is the kind of reference I used when I logged into the thing. When I was reading through this, I just went to the template engine and just changed it index.php, just changed the entire thing to a reverse shell and saved it. But yeah. Alright, we can run this up. I haven't even got my fucking terminal opened up yet, fuck. Uh mm, 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 mm. Did I already I think I have a yeah, I already have the stuff saved in here. I can remove the hash. So yeah, for the SQL injection exploit, you can use SQL map, but it's just gonna take a while. This Python script that was made as like a proof of concept for the Joomla exploit, it works in about 2 seconds flat. So Yeah, pretty cool stuff. Anyways, let's hop on this thing. Okay, we're not. I'm gonna skin this. So yeah, this is when I saw like the port 3306. I'm pretty sure this SQL database is open. Oh, it didn't show it here for some reason. What is happening right now? I guess it's not open. I don't know. Okay. Well, maybe I'm wrong. Whatever. I could have sworn it was open yesterday when I did this thing, but maybe the scan's not functioning properly. Who knows? So I'm just gonna scan port 22 and port 80. What are you crying about, girl? What is it? Sorry, my dog's fucking crying. Alright, initiating parallel. Okay. So I'm not gonna bother directory searching this thing because there's no hidden directories that we find that would help us. So yeah, they already have the robots.txt right there, and this says joomla administrator. All this shit's not allowed. What are you crying about? You want to go in the bed? Okay, give me 1 second. What is this? There you go. Get up there. God damn it. Alright. Jesus fucking Christ. Okay, so I can just run this Python script. It needs a URL, right? So this will just extract the user hash and stuff from the table. So we get a super username Jonah and a hash, which, like I said last time, this is bcrypt. So we're gonna pull up John. Let me put that into a thing. So let's just pull up John with this hash dash dash word list is equal to use rocket.txt and format is equal to bcrypt. I think that's how you word that. I don't really use hash to or no password hash is left to crack. Did I not do that right? Let me make sure. Um, let me use hash ID on it real quick to make sure. Yeah, it is bcrypt. Where's the what is this thing right here? I don't want to go out there. Everybody's so fake. Take me away from here. Everybody's so fake. I want to open image. Okay. Yeah, that is how you do it. Me away from here. Everybody's so. Dash dash format equals bcrypt. Yeah, I don't know why that's not working. Let me go to hashcat examples real quick. Yeah, it is bcrypt. Fauna. Or ghost girl. Yeah, so text hash. type is bcrypt, but it also has a salt attached to it. But I don't know. I didn't do anything for it the other day when I used it. All I did was just feed it to it and give it format. Unless I changed up. Did I change it somehow last time? Body's so fake, I swear. I don't wanna go out there. Everybody's so fake. Did I change it last time? I honestly can't remember. I don't know. Body act like they care. I don't know. John should crack this. Because it's like Spider-Man 1, 2, 3 or some shit from I remember. Because yeah, wait, let me make sure. If I go to this thing and type in Jonah, Spider-Man 1, 2, 3, that's it, right? Yeah, it is. Why is this not working? Let me pull up one of these fucking write-ups real quick to see what this dude did. Where is cracking of the password? John? Use John? He used John to crack the password, okay. Took me about 20 minutes, so be patient with John the Ripper. As it's magic, eventually we get the password cracked. Using John to crack the password could take a while. It took me around 20 minutes, so be patient while John does the magic, eventually get the password. It shouldn't take 20 minutes, at least for me. And username. What is he talking about? Oh, that's way too far down. Yeah, that's strange. Here, let me, guys, let me just try pasting it in here. Is there a dash for boast mode or something? Okay, like, what is going on, bro? No, it's because I cracked it yesterday. My John Cash is the same, right? I'm pretty sure. I remember this happened to me a long time ago. Clearing John, I mean, clearing John the Ripper cache. Okay, me just ask ChatGPT. I'm not gonna bother asking fucking Google, did complete dog shit. Alright. Move the cache data. Okay. Now it should work. I forgot John caches the data. God damn it, motherfucker, John. I'll fuck you up. There we go. God damn you, John, you motherfucker. Sorry. Press Q or Control C to abort. Okay, I'm not worried about all that. Yeah, we should just give this fucker a second. This is really gonna take 5 years. This should take me like 5 seconds. Okay, CP's at 90%, not bad. He's working hard. This little bitch gonna be a hoe. Excuse me. Alright, well anyways, I don't need that. Where am I at? Okay, yeah, so we're not gonna, so the way you check the version, I think that's like the first question on the thing, is you just put this into the URL and it doesn't stop you from looking at it. Well, I'm logged in already, but you don't have to be logged in to check it, so you can just check it and you'll see 3.70 and then you'll just paste that in there. And what is Jonah's correct password? Spider123. Yes, Spider123. Okay, so yeah. And the way you get root, or you get like a remote code execution on the web server. Where's my tab at? Oh, it's right here. You just come, was it /administrator? I think it's /administrator. You just come here and you log in. Jonah and then Spider-Man123 to the joomla, and I think it's templates. Is it templates or no? I don't know. Is it not templates? Categories? I don't even know where I was last time, or how I even got to it, to be honest. That's oh, no, what the fuck? I think I was just like fucking around, looking around the place, and I found the Probably should have wrote it down now that I think about it. No. I'm looking for the web page. It just has to be templates, doesn't it? It has to be templates. Okay, maybe not. Wait, I think it's actually on. Oh, this is where I remember seeing it. I think. Oh yeah, /templates. Cassiopeia. Modified template. Yeah, so it isn't templates. Where the fuck am I at then? Yeah, oh, that's how I got here. So yeah, I just went to index.php. You can do what they did. I'm just gonna put an entire reverse shell here. So nc-lvnp do port 9001, and I'm gonna upload a reverse shell right here. So yeah, this will make it so when you load the page, it'll run the reverse shell. So we can just come here, and now that'll get us in. Okay, cool, we're in here. Let me open up my tryhackme.txt file real quick. Okay, projects. God, this fucking screen is so small, bro. I can't even see what the fuck's happening. Pen testing, tryhackme. Alright. So, yeah, I'm just gonna... Python 3 is not enabled, so I guess I'll just do Python instead. Alright. Cool. Let me export term X so we can clear. So I think it, let me check. Jameson, huh? Yeah. Okay, so we don't have a pseudo L. Honestly, I can't remember how I went about the privilege escalation yesterday. So I'm just gonna try all this shit real quick. There's no capabilities or binaries. It said a yum, right? Oh yeah, it was yum. What was it? I think I have to do something before I can use that though, right? Let me run. I think yum was the final step. I think. Oh yeah, I need to run limpis real quick. I'm pretty sure they have a, or I think it's in the var. They have a SQL database, right? Inside the web root folder, inside configuration, I think it was, and that has the password for one of the characters. Yeah, so Jonah secret and the password right here. I'm sure it's the password for Jameson. Let me check. Yeah, it is. Okay, cool. And then if I do sudo -l, I don't need to put the password in. So yeah, then we have the yum as our escalation privileges, and then it's pretty easy. We just follow the GTFO bins. So we just make a temp directory, and then we cat, just copy and paste this shit. Alright. And then run this. And then yeah, now we have root. So pretty easy. If you want like a detailed explanation of what this does, honestly don't exactly know, but you can just read this. I guess we can respond to directive root shell by loaded a custom program. So they make a custom program for yum that just runs /bin/sh. So yeah, pretty complicated. So it just makes a Python file, and then you know it runs this, which gives you a root shell because /bin/sh. We can cat shadow real quick. Does it show it right here? No, it doesn't. And we could crack the root password if we wanted to, but I'm not gonna bother doing that. So yeah, then we have root.txt right here. No, it doesn't even have a thing in there. And then I kind of skipped everything else, didn't I? All right, there's a user.txt. So pretty easy box overall. I mean the credentials were literally just stored in the SQL configuration file for fucking in the web root. So when you run linps, I think that's how I saw it. I ran linps, and I was just doing my normal enumeration shit, just running, you know, sudo -l, this bullshit, get cap, cat in the cron tab to see if there's any cron tabs, and then after that, if I don't find anything, I run linps and start looking around, and then linps showed me, you know, there's a configuration file and it printed out what was in it, and I just tried that for the Jameson, and it worked. So overall, a pretty easy box. Just because I mean most of the answers are kind of given to you, like what is the joomla version? So you already know you're using joomla for your CMS, right? And then instead of using SQL map, one needs Python script. It tells you to use a Python script, so I went and found a Python script. And then when you're on it, when you're at the root flag, well, it says GTFO bins. You already know that though. If you're sudo -ling and you see a fucking thing, you just immediately search GTFO bins. That's basically just how it works. To get in the user flag, you just run linps and it'll just pop up in front of you. So yeah, overall a pretty easy box. Appreciate you for watching.